In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Whiteout Survival MOD menu fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited gems, along with multiple premium hacks that enhance your gameplay experience. As you can see on the screen, the Whiteout Survival MOD menu includes a wide range of options such as autoplay, unlimited gems, free shopping, fast building, and many more advanced features that make progression much easier and faster. Before we get started, make sure your Whiteout Survival game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Whiteout Survival, and see if an update is available. Running the latest version is important to ensure the mod works properly. Once your game is fully updated, you're ready to continue. The next step is very simple. Scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I explain exactly where and how to download Whiteout Survival++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!